Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about QuickBook online version. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about basic options and basic features of the QuickBooks. Okay, so in next video definitely I'm going to explain how to create purchase bills, suppliers, create notes, vendors. Then we can create sales invoice, sales create note, how to create transactions, how to generate reports. Definitely we'll discuss all the things in future. First of all, let's talk about the basic settings. So you have to click here. Here you will get these many options. Okay, we'll definitely discuss as per requirement. First of all, click on accounts and settings. So once you click here, you will get company related settings here. You can change the name of the company, registration number, registered address. Okay, some of the option might be differ as per your country. Okay, now in sales, in usage, you can see the usage limit, then talk about the sales. So this is related to sales only. You can set invoice terms like shipping address and just like discount. And if you maintain inventory, then you can see the products and service related options. You can send reminders. You can do all the settings related to the sales from that option. And if you want to make some changes in purchase and expense related matter, then you can come here. Okay, if you want to disable or enable some option, then you have to click here and you can do it in this manner to apply the setting. Now in advance, you can set the accounting period. Okay, you can set the accounting period, you can set the accounting method. Fine, then this is related to charts of account. Okay, we'll discuss the options as per the situation. Fine, and after making changes you have to click done. Okay, now let's talk about the left side. As you can see, the first option is transactions. So you can see here bank transaction, app transactions, receipts, reconcile, rules. You can also create some rules for bank allocation. And let's talk about the charts of account. So this is the default charts of account. Okay, you can also create new account from here. You can also import the chart. Okay, and if you want to make any changes, then you can do it in this manner. If you want to delete some account, then you can make inactive from here. Okay, you can also again activate that particular account. Fine, now in advanced accounting there is option of fixed asset. In sales you can create customers invoices. Okay, you can maintain all sales related activity. In expenses you can create vendors or suppliers. You can create bills, expenses. Here expenses and bills both are different thing. Okay, I'll explain in future. Fine, and if you come here in new option, you will get the same options here also. Like in vendors you can create expenses, bills, pay bills, purchase order, vendor credit card. Same with customers, invoice, receive payment, credit memo, sales receipt, etc. And the window you are seeing here is just a test drive. Okay, so you can use this window for practice purpose, and there is no need to log in info or something. I'll just paste a link. I'll just copy and paste link of this test drive in my description. You have to just copy that link and just put in your browser, and you can get this window. You can use it for practice purpose, or you can learn from self also. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.